Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we will understand our question. The program must accept the time in 24-hour format as our input. Then it must print the next time, which is palindrome. So we should accept the time in 24-hour format, then the program must print the next time, which is palindrome. So let us take our first case. So the next time, which is palindrome, will be our output, that is 1221. So when 1221 is reversed, it gives the same number. So this will be our output. Now consider our second test case. Here, the next time, which is a palindrome, will be 10:1. We will know how to find the next time, which is the palindrome, in the code video. Let us implement our program. First, we'll get our input hour and minute using the map function, and in which we have the split object, that is colon. After that, we will run the infinite loop while true. So this loop will break when we get the next time as palindrome. Then here we will first increment the minute by 1, then hour will be incremented when the minute exceeds 60 minutes. That is, if the minutes is exceeded by 60, hour will be incremented by 1. Then hour modulo equal to 60. That is, after 60, it becomes 0. Sorry, it is 24. So after 24, the hour will become 0. Then after that, minute modulo equal to 60. That is, after 60 minutes, it will be again 0. Now, we have got our new hour equal to string of hour dot zfill 2. That is, we will pad zeros in the front. Then our new minute equal to string of minute dot zfill of 2. That is, we have padded zeros in the front. After that, we have got the resultant time, that is equal to new hour plus, we will have the colon which separates them, then plus new minute. Then after getting resultant time, we have to check our condition, that is, it is a palindrome or not. So we will reverse it and check whether it is palindrome. So if it is a palindrome, we are going to print the result time and break the loop. First, we have got the hour and minute using the map and the split object. Then after that, we are running the while loop, that is an infinite loop, which breaks when the next time is a palindrome. Then we are incrementing the minute by 1, and when the minute, sorry, here it is divided. So when when minutes exceeded 60, the hour will be incremented by 1. Then After 24, the R should become 0. Then minute modulo equal to 60. That is, after 60, then minute will be 0. So after that, we have got the new R, and we have padded with zeros at the front, and we'll get the new minute. Then we finally got our resultant time. Then we check for whether it is palindrome or not. So if it is a palindrome, we are printing it. Now let us execute our program with our first test case. We have got the correct output, which is a palindrome. Then let us execute our second test case. So here we have got 1001, which is correct output. Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.